Welcome, friends. The apostles Paul and John gave us incredible insights into the personality of the Father. John said in 1 John 4:8 that God is love. And Paul in 1 Corinthians 14:4-7 gave a detailed description of what love is. By combining these two thoughts, we now know that Paul gave a detailed description of what God is like. You see, love equals God. To know what God is like, we simply have to look at the other side of the equal sign. He looks like love. And what does love look like? Well, Paul said love is patient and kind. Since God is love, we can conclude that He is neither impatient nor unkind. Have you ever been the object of intolerance or malice? It's not very pleasant, and it's never God. He always meets us with patience and kindness. Any image you have of the Father acting otherwise, no matter where you got it, is simply wrong. Godspeed, my friends.
Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, He's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.